Today we're going to make chapati stuffed with potato and moringa leaves, or they're called drumstick leaves. It's a very healthy plant and we're using its leaves. This is 3 cups of wheat flour, a quarter cup of yogurt, and 3/4 teaspoons salt, and about 1 1/4 cups of water. This is 4 potatoes boiled and mashed. It comes to about 1 1/2 cups or 2 depending on the size of the potatoes. This is the moringa leaves, or drumstick leaves as you might call them. The plant is extremely healthy and it's very commonly used in Kerala. Then I have 1 medium onion finely chopped, 1 1/2 green chili. You can use less if you don't want it that hot. There's about 1/2 inch piece of ginger finely chopped. Garlic is optional, but I usually put in a bit of garlic since potato produces a lot of gas. To compensate that, I use a bit of garlic. There's a bit of grated carrot. This is optional. I just planned on adding a bit for a colorful look. Now I'm heating my urli, or cooking pot or frying pan if you wish. I'm adding some oil. Once it's hot, I'm going to add the ginger, green chili and garlic into it. I'm stirring it. I've added the onions and I'm sauteing it for a few minutes, or at least till it's changed its color to a light brown. You can see the color has started changing. I'm going to add the moringa leaves. It's lightly sauteed and I'm going to add the mashed potato to it. I have added the mashed potatoes and slightly, a little grated carrot for a colorful look, and I'm going to stir it all together and wait till it cools a bit. The dough made from the wheat flour has been divided into 12 balls, because since we use 3 cups, I get about 12 of these for 12 chapatis. But if you can use 2 cups and you'll get 8 similar balls to make chapatis. Depending on how many of you are at home, you can vary the amount. Now I'm going to roll each one out and fill it with a potato mix. Meanwhile, I'm heating up my griddle here. It's cast iron. I somehow love this, using this, so I'll heat it up and meanwhile get the chapati rolled out and ready to fry. Normally I would take this chapati and we'll usually put a bit of this in here, close it up and roll it out. That's what is mostly done, but I think I find it easier to do it this way, even though it might be a bit heavy. I roll out my chapati very thin and then I spread this on top very thin. And then I take my second chapati, which I roll to almost the same size, and I seal it up. You can use a fork for convenience. And now I can put it on the griddle, which we made, fried. Now you can see it's being done. It's slowly getting ready. I need to turn it over. I think it's almost done, so I think I can drizzle, if you wish. It's optional. You can drizzle a bit of butter on top. It'll give that extra flavor. It's done now. Now I'll show you the other chapati with the filling that I use. Just one ball. I put the filling inside and rolled it out. Of course you can see the vegetables sticking out here and there, and it's smaller. I've drizzled some butter on this as well. It's almost done because it's a small one. The bigger one definitely takes more time. Yeah, I think that's done too. You can see it's very soft. See, it's colorful on the inside. See? Look at that. And it's nice and soft. And that's where I used 2 chapatis. And here's a single one that's also soft. See? And it has the filling inside. So I hope you like it. Do try it. Thank you.